Now the compare with T1 sagittal images and post contrast sagittal images. Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I am Mr. Muqtadir Rahman. Today I will discuss with you MRI of pelvis images. Now let's go started. First of all, you can see here both are MRI of pelvis images. Now I introduce the first image. Look here. Okay, look here. This is STIR sagittal images, and look here the pathology here right now. And look here. Okay, and now the next images. Okay, this is T2 sagittal images, and look here the pathology here right now. Okay, now another image T1 sagittal images, and showing here the pathology right now. And now the next STIR axial images, and showing here the pathology right now. And this is T2 axial images. Look here. Now T1 axial images. Look here. And now another images showing here. This is T2 coronal images. And another is STIR coronal images. And now nicely look here the pathology here right now. And this is the DWI. I'm showing here the pathology right now. Yeah. Okay, now the post contrast axial images showing here right now. This is the pathology, and this one sagittal post contrast, and showing here the pathology right now. Yeah. Now this patient is female. Okay, and look here the pathology right now. And now okay. Okay, now showing here the sagittal section images. This is STIR sagittal, this is T2 sagittal, another is T1 sagittal, and final the post contrast sagittal. Now the compare with T1 sagittal images and post contrast sagittal images, and finally look here, look here this area. Okay, right now look here this area, and look here this area. This is the pathology, and look here another images showing here. This is okay. Now very interesting case. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my video.